How to get New York E-ZPass. Go to the official E-ZPass New York website. Click on the option to sign up for a new account. Choose the type of account that fits your vehicle use. Enter your personal details including name and address. Provide your vehicle information including license plate number. Add your contact information such as phone number and email. Select a payment method to fund your E-ZPass account. Enter your credit card or bank account details for auto-replenishment. Review the account terms and conditions carefully. Confirm your application and submit it online. Wait for your E-ZPass tag to arrive in the mail. Follow the instructions to mount the tag on your vehicle windshield. Register the tag online or activate it if required. Begin using E-ZPass at toll booths across New York and other states. Thank you for watching.